Hello friends, today's video we are going to look how we can enhance picture quality in PowerPoint. Okay, normally the PowerPoint which you are converting into an image, it will save for HD quality, which you are going to enhance the resolution into 4K quality. In a sense, how you can do it. That is what we are going to look in this video. Let me see. Okay, this is what the presentation slide. Okay, from the first slide only we are going to make for the picture. Okay, from that picture only we are going to change for the resolution. Okay, for that what you need to do, you can go to file and export and you can click here for change file type. Okay, once you're clicking this one, you can click for the JPEG. You can click that JPEG and automatically the file will be saved as JPEG format. Okay, so before saving it, once you're clicking this one, it will open for the pop-up window, and from there you can give us a name. I'm choosing for the path where I need to save this picture. Then I'm giving the name as sample. Under this save as type, you can check it's available for JPEG or not. If it default it's available JPEG, why? Because we have chosen right for the export. If suppose if it is not available, you need to choose it. Once save as type has been chosen, you can click a save. So it will be saved in desktop. From here it's asking you need to change all those things in a picture format or for a particular slide. So just for only one slide, so I am clicking for the second option over here. Then I will go and check in the desktop. Okay, from the desktop which you are looking right now, it's not available. I'm giving us a refresh. Once you're giving for the refresh, it will show for the picture. Okay, right now I'm opening this picture. Right click and you can go to properties. You can check it over here what's the resolution it's available in a default way while you're saving for your PowerPoint into an image. Under the detail you can go. Okay, the picture name you can check it, it's available for sample. Under that you can check it for the dimension as well as for BT depth as well as vertical resolution. It is available 96 dpi. What is dpi? In a sense, dot per inch. Okay, so this picture it's available only 96 dot per inch. This 96 only we are converting into an 300, and automatically the dimension will change into 4000. That is a 4K quality. That is what we are going to look how we can change it for the dimension as well as for the resolution over here, 96 into 300. So for this what you need to do, right now we checked the current image, what will be the resolution will be there. Okay, then we are going to search menu, then you have to type it for a run command. Okay, once you're looking these all for the detail, you need to cross check it. Okay, once you're checking these all, we will modify into 4K quality. Okay, while you are changing into 4K quality, the file size will be increased. Okay, that's the difference you will get, as well as quality will be well and good. Once you are going to search, then you can type it for a regedit. You can type it run command or else control, or then you have to type it regedit, that is for registry editor. Once you're opening that registry editor, it will show like this only. Okay, from that you need to select for H key current user. The path is very important. Okay, once you're selecting that one, you need to select for software. Under the software you need to select for Microsoft. Okay, because under the Microsoft only you have different applications, right? From that application you have to select for Office. So from here it's available Microsoft, you can choose for Microsoft. Then you need to choose for the Office over here. So from the Office, yeah, it's available for the Office. So you need to select Microsoft Office will be there or Office will be there, you need to check. Okay, from here it's available the name of Office. Then under that you need to check two version will be there. Okay, 15 as well as 16. What is a version of PowerPoint which you are using, that version only you need to go and do the coming changes. So from here it's available two version. I'm going to check what's the version I'm using right now. So for that what you need to do, you have to go for respective PowerPoint, then you have to go file and account. From there you can look, it's available for 2016, that is 2016. version is available. So from there I need to select for 16 under the registry. Okay, 15 as well as 16 will be there, right? So from there I need to select for 16 over here. Then you need to choose for PowerPoint. Why? Because we are going to change the image for the PowerPoint, not for any other application under the Microsoft. So once you have chosen PowerPoint, then you have to choose for the options. Okay, from that option, so before you're going to do all the edit, you need to check it what is the path you have selected. Okay, it's Husky current user, then software, after that Microsoft you need to choose, then Office. What is the version you're using currently, that version only you have to choose it. Okay, then PowerPoint and options. Once checked all those things will be correct, then what you need to do, go to edit. Okay, yeah, then you have to select for new. Under the new you need to select dword 32-bit value. Okay, that one you have to select, and automatically one application will be open, and from there you need to change the name. Okay, that commentary you need to change the name as export bitmap resolution. Okay, suppose if you are typing for export, it will not convert. If you are typing export bitmap, it will not convert. So you need to type it the full name, export bitmap resolution. Once you typed, you can right click. Okay, the spelling and everything you need to check it proper. Okay, suppose the one word you have typed in a sense, it will not get. So once typed, you can click as right click, then you can click for modify. Once you are clicking this one, this kind of pop-up window will open, and from there what you need to do, in a default way it's available for hexadecimal. Okay, from there you need to choose for decimal over there. We required 300 dpi. Okay, already it's available 900. Okay, right, in a default PowerPoint. From there you're converting into 4K quality. That's the reason you're putting over there for 300. Only 300 is sufficient, not required to type it for dpi and all. Okay, once typed for 300, you can click as OK. Okay, then after that you have to close this window, this registry window, you can close it. Now you have to go to PowerPoint. As the same process you can do it, go to file and export. Okay, now you're converting into an image as the same process. Okay, now you can go to file, export, change file type, then JPEG. Now you need to rechange the name as sample check. I'm giving the name as sample check. As the same path I'm choosing as desktop. Okay, over here I'm choosing as desktop. I'm typing the name, change sample check. The save as type you need to check it, it's available for JPEG. Yeah, it's available for the JPEG. Just you can give us save over there. Okay, the another name, the resolution, new resolution name, call it as sample check. Okay, once check both the things, you can save it. Same way it's asking, I'm giving for the second option because I need only for this slide, not for another slide. Just you can refresh over here, it's available for two picture. Okay, now we are going to check for the second picture, what's the dimension will be there, what's the resolution will be there, because we have given for some command over there, right? So under the detail you can check it. Okay, it's available for 4000, that is for dimension which I told you, 4000 into 2250, right? The 4K quality has been changed for the respective image, and you can check it for the resolution, that's available for 300. Earlier one it was available for 900, right? So it's available 300. Now I'm going to open for the previous image. Okay, the default image, the first time which we saved. We are going to check the quality of both the image. Now I am zooming for the first image. Okay, the full zooming I'm doing it. Are you looking for the blur, right? Some blur will be there for the first image. Then I'm selecting for the second image. Okay, which we made for some 4K quality command and all. So this one, while we are zooming, that kind of blur is not available, right? It's well and good and clear also. If you're keeping for the image, you can identify more better than the letters and all. You can check it. I think this is a way you can enhance your picture quality in PowerPoint. I think this video will be helpful for you. If it is helpful, you can subscribe this channel and keep on watching. Thank you, friends.